Hi, Scott Pohl here, four-time Team USA member, and what I'm talking today about is developing your bowling ball arsenal. We want to have a lot of versatility from bowling ball all the way up and down our lineup. So first of all, let's look at the situation where we have higher volumes or longer patterns are involved. Typically, the type of bowling ball we're going to use is a very strong surface bowling ball or a strong layout on the bowling ball, okay? For instance, kind of a duller matte finish, and then we go to maybe one step down from that. What that's going to allow us to do, the ball is going to start hooking much sooner on the lane with a longer or heavier volume just because we don't have as much time for the ball to hook down lane. Next up is the medium patterns. This is the most common ones. A lot of times you find this, your league situations, it's going to be in that middle range. You know, we're estimating somewhere between 39, 42 feet. Very medium type reactions, a lot of benchmark type ball reactions are going to be really good for these situations. Very versatile bowling balls. Okay? The next extreme situation is sometimes what we call a lot more friction patterns, shorter patterns, or ones that really hook a lot sooner. Typically we're going to go with weaker layouts with the bowling ball and also a lot cleaner covers. For instance, you see these having much more of a shiny finish to them. They're going to get a lot easier down the lane and read the pattern a lot better. The next thing to look at is, what are we bowling on? A lot of the time we can find out what we are going to be bowling on. We can make our decisions based on the bowling ball going forward there. Differences also are affected by the layouts of the bowling ball, how it responds on the back end part of the lane when it hits that friction. Do we want it to roll very smooth because the back ends are very clean, or there's a lot of friction, or are we going to be bowling on some transition and we want the ball to be a lot sharper and respond a lot harder as it goes down the lane? All right, how do we achieve this? Number one, I'd recommend get a couple of bowling balls that you can experiment with. Re-drill them, have different surfaces, different layouts, play around with it, find out what really works for you. Everybody's a little bit different, what you like to see and what you like to feel on the lane. See your pro shop operator and get all these items taken care of.